Welcome to Elif's Kitchen. Today, I want to share with you the recipe for chicken eggplant kebab, known for its easy preparation and amazing taste. First, to prepare our sauce, let's put half a teacup of vegetable oil or olive oil into the pan. Add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste on top, and sauté it thoroughly by stirring for a few minutes. Then, let's grate and add 3 medium-sized tomatoes on top. I added about 1 teaspoon of salt, about 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and about 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes on top. Let's continue to sauté for a few more minutes. Then, let's add 3 to 4 cloves of chopped garlic on top. And I added half a teacup of hot water on top. If you want your dish to be less watery, you can skip adding water. Let's cook for about 1 more minute and then remove it from the heat. Let's set our sauce aside while we prepare the other ingredients. Let's peel about 1 kilo of eggplants in a striped pattern. Then, let's chop them into large cubes, as you see in the video. Let's place the chopped eggplants into the baking dish we will use for the meal. I used a large rectangular baking dish. I used 3 green bell peppers. Let's clean their seeds and chop them into small cubes. I also used 2 medium-sized red bell peppers. Again, let's clean their seeds and chop them into small cubes. Including the garlic I used in the sauce earlier, I used a total of 1 head of garlic. Let's also chop about 5 to 6 cloves of garlic into small cubes. Let's add the chopped garlic on top of the eggplant. I used about 1 kilo of chicken breast, or thigh. You can reduce the amount if you wish. You can also use about half a kilo. Let's dice it into cubes. And place the chicken on top of the vegetables as well. Let's pour the sauce we prepared earlier on top. Let's mix it well with our hands so the sauce covers everything. Then, let's flatten the top and press down lightly. I did not add any water at this stage, because both the chicken and the vegetables will release their water while cooking. Let's wet a piece of parchment paper, crumple it in our palm, and cover our dish with it, as you see in the video. Then, let's bake it in a preheated oven at 220 degrees Celsius for about 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, let's remove the parchment paper from on top. At this stage, let's check the liquid in our dish. If you want it to be more watery, you can add hot water on top. The liquid is perfect for me. I did not add any more water. Let's continue to cook uncovered for about 10 to 15 minutes more for the top to brown. I also cooked it uncovered for about 10 minutes. So I cooked it for a total of 50 minutes. Let's take your dish out of the oven and serve it hot. I hope you try it and like it too. To everyone who will try it, bon appétit in advance. If you have watched my video this far and liked it, you can support me with your likes, comments, and shares. Thank you for watching.